Holy moly, man. Showing my apron. Here, but a little bit out of practice, so. Okay, so I've done 3 sandmar billets. Let me show you. So got one for like a petty chef knife, and then I've got 2 massive ones for hunting knives. So 2 of those. So that's it for today, Jenna. Clocking out. Jeez. Adios. Okay, so I've done the very rough profiling of the knife. And what's pretty cool is you can check here nicely where I've cut through how the 3 layers of steel have now become 1. And later on, when I etch this, you'll still be able to see the 3 different colors. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so now we've done the rough outline with the angle grinder. Now it's time to do it on the belt grinder to refine the shape a bit. Okay, now we're going to clean off the fire scale from the forging, prep it for grinding the initial bevels, and then heat treating after that. But for now, cleaning this up. Okay, so I got this cleaned up on a 36 grit. Good, I think. So now, before starting the normalizing cycles and the quench hardening, so the whole heat treat process, I'm going to take this to 120 grit and just break all the sharp edges, get rid of any stress points now, and yeah, then it's ready for normalizing. Sweet. Okay, so I got the grinding done on this baby. Nice Mina's blade this. Got the bevels done. Now hand sanding the bevels. Then I've got to do the ricasso area and the false edge. But yeah, some good progress today. Sweet. Nice and crispy. Going to the ferric chloride. Like a thermocoax. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the most satisfying parts of knife making. This is a blade I've just finished, and I'm going to oil up the wood on the handle. Here we go. There's nothing really beats that.